to the Concert Help channel. In today's video, we'll be reviewing some of the strategies and best practices for troubleshooting a failed deployment and for debugging your assets. Something you can do to make your life easier as far as debugging is concerned is checking the little box that says Retain Deployment on Error when you are launching a new deployment run. If your launch fails, you will see this ominous box of red text, which should inform you as to what kind of error your deployment encountered. In this case, a system builder error. In this case, if you scroll down and select the host details page, you'll be able to track down the troublesome asset, in this case, a software application. You will also be able to check the activity log, which will give you a play-by-play as to what went wrong when deploying the system. And you will be able to review the runtime properties to see if anything went wrong. However, in this case, it's pretty clear that it's the software application. So if you head on over to Systems and select Edit Asset from the blue banner on the top of the page, you'll be able to remove this troublesome application from your system, and then you'll be able to relaunch your system and hopefully it will deploy. If you are still encountering problems, feel free to get in contact with our support team by submitting a ticket. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site, which features these videos and articles which cover similar topics, often in greater depth. And as always, the relevant links can be found in the video description or in the upper right-hand corner. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.